Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 foods to boost the immune system. Low white blood cell counts or leukopenia can occur at certain times throughout chemotherapy. Most of the time, blood counts will return to normal before a person starts the next round of chemotherapy, and also after cancer therapy is completed. The body relies on its immune system to fight invaders called antigens, which include bacteria, viruses and allergens. White blood cells attack these harmful organisms, allowing the body to maintain its health. Essential vitamins and minerals increase the production and strength of white blood cells, thereby giving your immune system the power it needs to fight infection. Here are superfoods to boost immunity and increase white blood cells count. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Dietary omega-3 fatty acids can help to increase the production of phagocytes of the body, a type of white blood cells, which engulf harmful invaders. According to a study in 2022 published in Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention, the levels of white blood cells in volunteers who took dietary fatty acids increased and enhanced the activity of a type of white blood cells called B cells. Foods high in omega-3 include flaxseed oil, chia seeds, fish oil, walnuts, oysters, salmon, spinach, and soybeans. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea has been used since ages to deal with multiple ailments. It is loaded with antioxidants, which help the body combat infections, and is full of flavonoids and epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which enhance immune function and combat infection. Green tea also contains the amino acid L-theanine, which increases production of germ-fighting compounds in the T cells. Number 3. Lean protein. Good quality protein is important for cancer patients to include in their diet, because our bodies need the building blocks, amino acids, from the protein we eat to make the new WBCs. Lean meats, such as fish, eggs, seafood, and skinless poultry contain high quantities of protein. Great plant-based sources include lentils, beans and soy. Number 4. Zinc. Zinc is one of the best foods to increase white blood cells you can consume, as it can help the body produce more WBCs, and makes existing WBCs more aggressive. Foods rich in zinc include turkey meat, beef, crab, and oysters. Plus, you can also find zinc from fortified cereals and beans. Number 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which is helpful for fighting against bad bacteria. In addition, it also aids in increasing white blood cells by stimulating your immune system. According to a study, people who consume beverages with probiotics frequently, the WBC are higher because not many bad bacteria that nurture in the digestive tract. In addition, yogurt is also rich in vitamin D, which helps to regulate the immunity and boost the natural defenses of the body against diseases. Number 6. Papaya. This fruit has the ability to increase the production of white blood cells, or lymphocytes, in the body, because it is loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C. It also contains a digestive enzyme named papain, which has anti-inflammatory effects. Along with that, this fruit is beneficial to improve your overall health, because it is a rich source of folate, potassium and B vitamins. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is helpful for increasing white blood cells count and boosting natural killer cell activity. Besides, it is rich in the sulfur, which helps to boost the immunity and white blood cell count. A study shows that the antimicrobial properties and high vitamin C content in garlic make it a potent and significant immune system booster, and is very effective against viral, fungal, bacterial, and parasitic infection. It also seems to enhance the ability of WBCs to combat infections, and boosts other immune cells. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.